Oh yes. Then let's go.
What's up guys? Back out here on the bridge. Today I'm gonna film and I want to see if I can get my slot bass. Out here with my guy Umit. We got some fresh bunker and then we're gonna see if we get on these fish. Hopefully some slot sized bass. I do want to bring one home. Sun is going down. I didn't even check the tide, but it's definitely all the way up, probably about to go out. I just want to get on the bass. I just got both my rods out there with bunker chunks on them. I fixed my net. Got some zip ties on there. So hopefully that's working right. We're probably gonna need it today. Hopefully. Let's see what happens. We out there now. I'll get back to you guys when I get a hit. Let's go. Oh man, yo. It's always great when there's no wind, but these dang bugs, yo. Little tiny biting bugs. When there's no wind, they come in full force. You only been here for a couple minutes, I'm already annoyed. Yo, that did not take long. That did not take long. Bro, what the freak? What was that, 5 minutes? It don't feel that big. Oh, look, it jumped out the water. You saw that? It's a bluefish. It jumped out the water. It's gotta be a bluefish. Yo, it jumped completely out the water. Get the net ready. It's a bluefish. Bro, that was 5 minutes, son. Yo, what the heck? Yo. Oh, shoot. He felt a lot stronger now. Did he go over the other line? Oh, shoot, he went over it. He jumped over it. No, come here. He's over it. I think he went over yours too. No, he didn't. He's under it. Yo, pick your rod up real quick. Yo, he's jumping out the water again. No, you good. I'm gonna bring him this way. Yo, acrobat over here. All right, drop the net. Come on this way. Come this way. Yo, that did not take long at all. Let's go. All right, Umid, you can drop it a little faster. Oh yeah, we forgot to untangle the rope. My fault. Go ahead, take your time, take your time. He has the leader in his mouth. I don't know. I was not expecting to bite that fast. You good? Oh, come on. I know, I usually untangle it before. I don't know where that hook is at. It's 60-pound leader, but it's a circle hook, so I hope those. I can't see it. You can't, y'all's too short, y'all's too short. Just untangle this, fine. Take your time. Bro, that was freaking quick. Let me cut it and then get back on when we get the net ready. All right, we got the net down. The tide is still coming in, so you got to throw it out past them. Yeah. Oh shoot! Come on back this way. And pull it. There you go. There you go. Oh, man, we got it. 5 minutes. We on. Let's go. That one wasn't even that far out.
That's a nice size bluefish.
You pick it up. Let's go.
That's a big ass bluefish.
So I've been killing the blues.
Real.
I don't want the blue though. They look a hook perfect in the side of the mouth.
Look at this shit. You hit with a treble
Yes,
hook or something.
something. Hit him on the side. Let's go. That's one, baby. We on the board. I'm gonna measure them. I'm gonna bleed them. Like I said, my dad's friend eats these, and I've been supplying them with it. Let's go, y'all. That's one. He was out with it. All right, before I start bleeding them out, let me get this one back out. Nice little pieces, yo. It works. This one wasn't even that far out. Back right in the safe spot, basically. All right, back out there. Loosen the drag again. Let's see if we do that again. Let's go. Yeah, I see when he's messing with it. That was a weird bite. Oh, is he swimming this way? Oh no, he was swimming this way. That's why I was bouncing like that. Yo, bring it right on this side. Cause this one ain't get hit yet either. Dang, son. I seen it bouncing, so I turned the camera on, and then as soon as I turned the camera on, it went down. I pick it up, it's all slack. I hope that wasn't my bass. Yeah, 1 and 1. Bait still there. Bait is still there. Yo, no teeth marks. God dang. Ah, that might have been the bass. Got another piece out there. ASAP. Another little piece. Bro, how the heck you not get hooked? Come on. Why this rod not getting hit? Last time it was only that rod. Alright. Come on. Let's get it again. Back out there. See if we can make some more action happen before the sun go all the way down. This light's not coming on. And I didn't bring my lights from the car. You see him? See Bunker? It came back again. What is that? So what the heck is it? It can't even pull the drag. It's swimming this way. Bro, what the heck? I can't even hook it. I don't know what the heck that is, son. That is a weird bite. Maybe a little, it might be a little bluefish. Yeah, it's gotta be a little bluefish. Chewing up the bait. Wow. Freaking sitting there tearing up the bait, son. A little piece on. Nice and bloody chunk. Starting to get dark fast. Come on, bass. See what happens now. I heard the rod hit bounce. He's on there. Get him. Let's get it. Umi's on. Let's go. I'm sitting here missing fish now. What I feel like. Uh-oh. That. Bro, ain't no way. Why you horsing him in like that? What is that? I can't see it.
That's a striker.
You know. Bro, you fixed the net and then tied it back up? Umi is on. What is it? It's a bass? No way! It popped in or no? Oh no. Dang, son. At least we getting action. It looks short though. Dang, I wanted that picture though. Yeah, when I'm on the bridge, when I fix the light and the rope, I just leave it long like this. You tighten it back up. Okay.
Y'all gotta take this piece?
Yeah. All right, next one we gotta get in. The tide is slack. All the bites just stopped completely. I don't know if I want to wait out here. It's already after 9 o'clock. Do gotta work in the morning. So I think I'm gonna call it now. Got some quick action. Got out here, got right on them. Can't believe I missed like 3-4 fish. But nice little quick trip. Be back out tomorrow, so catch you guys in the next one. Hope you enjoyed. Peace.